Yeah, so these are 1,200 bucks. Definitely the most expensive headlights you can buy for a second gen Tacoma, for sure. First impressions though is like, damn, the quality, it's up there. I mean, obviously, if you pay 1,200 bucks, you're kind of expecting some crazy build quality, but you know, I think they really brought it with this one because, yeah, these are insane. Super clean, like the detail, just everything about them looks top notch. I probably wouldn't have bought these. I was pretty happy with like these Amazon ones I bought that were like black with 2 LED eyebrows. But apparently when you drive your truck in like 6 feet of water will get in your headlights. So I was in a situation where I really needed some new headlights, and yeah, obviously, you know, I want these. You know, I've always wanted these since they came out. I just couldn't justify spending that kind of money on something I didn't need. But then, yeah, my headlights right now are completely filled with water and condensation, and they're super dull because of that. Like, there's not enough light coming through. We're gonna do a quick install. It's not gonna be super thorough. I will go over the wiring because my other ones were plug and play. I didn't have to deal with any of this, so I'll kind of go through this part a little more thoroughly. But oh yeah, welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning in. You know, I like buying stuff for my truck and for my cars, but I usually like finding videos of someone who's done it before me to see if it's worth it. Like if I can get that like video walk around of like, it helps me envision it on my truck, and I haven't been able to really find like a true video walk around of these guys on YouTube yet, so here we are. That tap fuse goes there. So these two go to your battery. This shorter one coming off of here, it's only like 2-3 feet. That goes right there. And then this guy gets plugged in right there. But yeah, I mean, first impressions with them on the truck just turned off is these things are just works of art, like insanely beautiful. I really feel like the front of the truck now is like 10 years newer. I just feel like the whole truck just got transformed. Not to mention, I had LEDs on my truck before, and these were still a big jump from like the LED headlights I had. But if you have like the stock halogen headlights that these trucks normally come with, this is gonna be a night and day difference. Like, it's gonna be an insane jump as far as like just the look of the front end and the quality of like driving at night, which we'll get into later. Pros and cons, let's see. The pros are the visuals. These things look good off, they look good on. Just like every setting, they look sharp. They're super practical. Like, having really bright headlights isn't something you appreciate until you have them. So another thing I really like is even during the day, these LED daytime running lights are just super bright. Another cool thing is you get this startup animation when you lock and unlock the car. So yeah, when you unlock the car, it does this. And then when you lock it, it also does that. So yeah, those are the pros. As far as the cons go, $1,200 is a lot. That's definitely a con, is the price. And yeah, stay tuned for the next one.